In this video, we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin chart and what is about to happen in Bitcoin. Guys, this is 3:30 a.m. in the morning, Nigerian time, and I had to wake up to make this video because I don't want you to miss this, and I also don't want you to get trapped in your trade. So stick around, guys. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we share crypto opportunities, passive income opportunities, and also trade signals on our Telegram channel. All right, guys, if you check the previous video, you see that what we actually talked about in Bitcoin happened exactly. 22,800 prediction. That was what we made on this channel, and guys, Bitcoin did hit 22,800 just last night. Even when many traders were saying, oh, it's not possible, we're going to the moon, I tell you how it is on this channel. So subscribe to this channel, guys, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, tell us what you think about our analysis and how much you make from our analysis. Let's hit the charts. So this is Bitcoin chart, and guys, man, Bitcoin did exactly what we predicted. I told you guys that we were going to see a bounce down to this level, which is around 22,900, 22,800, and guys, we did hit exactly 22,800. Now, I did place some buy limit orders, which I told you in my previous video, and they are currently running. But there is something that's happening in the Bitcoin chart right now that I want to show you so that you'll be aware of it, and also show you what I'm going to be doing about that. Now, if you take a look at the chart right here, you will notice something that this trend line no longer needed. Actually, you notice something that there's a breakout structure right here. Okay, and what normally happens in this situation is that we will normally see some kind of bounce. Okay, normally some kind of bounce back to this level right here. Okay, then we'll start seeing the continuation. So this is basically why this trade here is valid. All right, so even if I'm going to hold this trade, it's going to close somewhere around 23,800 or 23,750 thereabouts. It's going to be a very short trade actually. So I'm just going to reduce this to this level right here. Now, but one other thing, actually this trade is I've already moved in my Binance account. I've already moved the stop loss to my entry. I entered this trade around 22,800. So I've moved. So this capital right here is secured, and I advise you do the same if you entered this trade, or if you did set buy limit orders at 22,800 like I suggested in my previous video. Now, what is going to happen right here, or why I'm making this video right now, is because if you go down to a smaller time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame, so let's go down to the 1-hour time frame and see what is actually happening right there. Now, if I'm to take this out of the way, now you'll notice something right here. This formation that is forming here right now, okay, this is actually what is forming right now. Okay, this is a bearish pennant. What normally happens when we see such formations is that we normally see a breakdown. Okay, we normally see a breakdown to the downside, and if this is to break down, we're going to see a target down to this area. I'm going to hit this volatility points, or these volatile points right here, and this somehow is going to take Bitcoin down to 22,200, between 22,200 and 22,300. So what I'm doing right now is that since this my previous trade right here, let's just take this back to how. Okay, so since this my previous trade right here is currently in break even, meaning I've already moved my stop loss to my entry points, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do two things. First of all, I'm going to be placing a sell or a short order all the way above this, points. Okay, you can always pay attention to this place to see the price. I can't be calling it out all the time like that, like we're in kindergarten, right? So I'm going to place stop loss just above these wicks right here. Then I'm going to set my target down all the way to 22 300, you know. Then I'm also going to place a buy. In short, I've placed that already. I'm going to place a buy limits around 22 300 thereabouts, 22 300, and I'm going to place my stop loss. Sorry, and I'm going to place my stop loss at this level, 21 900. Now this is just me, you know, trying to follow the anticipated move, that I am seeing in the market. So this 3 positions is what I am holding. This first one right here is already in play, and the stop loss is already at the entry point. So even if it breaks down, it's just going to take out the trade, but I'm not going to lose any money. Then if it breaks down, it will come down and pick this trade, okay, and continue upwards. But if it doesn't break down, okay, if it doesn't break down, it will go up, hit my targets, close this current trade, then pick this short trade, and it will sell downwards. Okay, it will sell downwards, close this one, then it will pick this one. So either way, these 3 positions are still going to work out. Now another scenario we might have in this situation right now is where we now see hold on, I have to remove all this. Okay, anyway, well, another scenario that might happen is where we now see this trade hitting this level, then continue upwards. If we continue upwards, the what I will see for me to confirm that we're going to continue upwards is when we hit this level. When we hit this level right here, okay, if we see something like this, we hit this level, then bounce, successful bounce, then I will re-enter this trade right here, and I will expect the trade, you know, to keep running above 25k. So, but apart from that, what these 3 positions or those 3 others I just showed you is what I'm going to be working out for. So the summary of this video is that watch out for Bitcoin. We might see some drop to 22 300 or 22 200, and if this happen, I'm going to be placing a long position at that level. All right, but currently I have a position that I am expecting to close at 23 800, 23 750 actually, and then shorten the market again. So guys, there's a quick update on Bitcoin, and if you love this video, if you love the updates, quick updates we share on this video, quick trade updates, guys, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for your subscriptions. We're actually growing. The last time I made this video we're just 2.1k or thereabout. Now we are currently 2.2k, and also on our Telegram channel, the last time I made the video we're just 700 or close to 700, and right now we're 714. So let's push our Telegram channel to 1,000 subscribers, and also push our YouTube channel to 3,000 subscribers. We can do that before the end of this month. And guys, until then, it is goodbye and God bless.